Gayatri. In this video, we are going to see an ETAP tooltip on how to update voltage to all the buses in a single click. In the single line diagram, none of the bus voltages are updated. Now, let's see how to update all the bus voltages in a single click. Ensure you're in edit mode. Enable AutoBuild if you have not done. Open the AutoBuild Rulebook editor. Go to voltage. Choose the voltage of your preference. I am choosing 0.4 kV. Give OK. In the single line diagram, choose a bus to which you need to update the voltage rating. Select the appropriate voltage from the drop-down menu. Click the arrow, which will apply the selected voltage to the selected items. You can now see the selected voltage of 0.4 kV applied to all the buses in a single click. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you found this content useful. See you in another tooltip video.